Hello guys, today I will show you what is the maximum RAM capacity you can install to your PC. Maybe you are planning to increase upgrade the RAM to your PC, but you don't know what is the maximum support and how many slot I have. Maybe if it is laptop, you don't know how many slot and each slot how many RAMs available, you don't know. So how you find out? First, go to the task manager, okay, and go to performance. Under performance, go to memory, and you can come here. Just keep the mouse, don't click, just keep the mouse. You will see slot 1 16 GB, slot 2 16 GB. It means I have two slot, so each slot I have installed 16 GB RAM. So if you have four slot, it will show you uh, number 4 here. So this like that, you know how many slot available. So in my case, I have two slot and two slots used. Two of two, both are slot used. If I have used one of two, it means one slot used. I have two slot, so one is free. Okay. Uh, if I have four slot, it will show two of four. It means I have used two slot and total I have four slot. It means I have two slot free. So like that you can know a number of slot available in your PC or laptop, and how many slot are used, and what are the number of RAM installed in, I mean, GB installed in your PC. So let's check how to check the maximum RAM capacity you can install to your PC. uh, Close the window, uh, go to search, type CMD, click OK, and I have two commands. First command, it will show only number of maximum RAM capacity you can install to your PC. Okay, and second command, it will show maximum RAM capacity with the number of slot available in your PC. This will show both. So first command is same with second command, and there's a comma space memory devices. This is only extra command. So we'll take it the second command and copy the command, paste here. You can see, and press enter. You will get the value in the kilobyte. You can see max capacity and memory devices. Okay, this is number two memory devices I can install. So this is the maximum, up to 32 GB I can install. So this is in kilobyte. You have to convert to get the number. Copy that number, go to the Google and search KB2 GB. Okay, here test. So you get 33.55. It means 32 GB. Okay, your PC will support up to 32 GB. So I have installed 32 GB RAM. Okay, so this is the maximum. Okay, thank you guys.